Hi friends, thank you so much for watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about expired experience. What is expired experience? Okay. What is the meaning that if your experience is expired, okay, how to approach in the new organization? That is what we're going to discuss in this video next few minutes. Okay. And you are watching Lemuria Man YouTube channel. So we talk about background verification related issues and solution in genuine way. If you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe and share to your friends and give thumbs up. Okay. And many people are watching this video and they are not subscribing it. So please subscribe and give your wonderful support. So coming to topic, the expired experience. Okay. The expired experience is nothing but your document is expired. If your document is expired, how to update your background verification related information in the MNCs. So what is the meaning of expired? Okay. If you work any other company in the past, if that company's business is completely closed, if that company's registration number is completely closed, which means you will face some problem when you upload that company informations in the newly joined companies or currently working companies. Sometimes background verification will happen multiple time, even though if you submitted your documents again they will do the verifications. For example, client specific background verifications. If you switch your client within the organization from one client to another client, background verification will happen. At the time, if your documents are expired, which means your company is closed, how to interact? There is another meaning. Okay. Some people are getting the documents from consultancies. They are purchasing the documents and getting the documents from different source that is not genuine. Generally it is called fake certificates. If you submit fake certificate today, after 2 years or after 3 to 5 years, when you switch your job, assume that you are submitting documents now 23 right now, in 2026 when you switch your documents, if you submit the same fake certificate in the future company in 2026, at the time background verification team, if they interact with your consultancy wherever you receive the fake certificate, if they interact with them, 100% they will not respond properly. Okay. 200% sure, because most of the followers are facing the same problem, purchasing the documents and submitting in the new companies. However, it will cause some problem. I already explained different videos. Somewhat, okay, by luck, if they didn't do the background verification properly, there might be a chance you are lucky, your background verification will go positive direction. Sometimes, okay, I can say just for 2%, rest of the 98% will be the risk if you submit the fake certificate. So if you switch your job at the time, again, if you submit your fake certificate, 200% your source will not respond to your background verifications, because the source, the fake certificate source, they will not have the same company ID, same registration ID, same mobile number, same email ID, same logo, okay, everything. They will not use the same things every year. Okay. Usually they will they will revise the company name each and every time. They will create new company name in the domain and they will provide new uh, experience certificate. Even though if they approach, just they will say you need to pay some additional amount, we will send you different companies experience letter. That will not help you. Okay. Which is generally called expired experience. Okay. So believe me, there are hundreds of people, they are facing this problem. So initially they submitted fake certificate before 2018. At the time background verifications happened, whatever you submit the documents, whatever you upload, blindly MNC did the background verification. But now methodology is completely changed. Everybody knows about that, right? They are tracking the things based on UN number. So now the most of the people joined in 2018. Now they are switching the job and they submitted the same fake certificate whatever they received in the 2018. Now they submitted, the background verification is failed and they have been terminated and they have been fired. Actually, it is bad news. However, for fired and terminated cases also, I'm giving solution in different way. You need to approach to me before receiving the offer letter. I will tell you how to prepare for the interview, how to approach, how to get the job quickly in all MNCs. You can join all MNCs, but how to join? Okay, you need to trigger the process from the scratch. I can help you, and my mail ID and email ID is available in this video description. You can contact to me. Okay. So for closed companies, if you have genuine documents, there are 5 parameters already I uploaded, but people are asking the same thing again and again in the description. Okay, some people are requesting and the same person, same question, and typing in each and every video's comment. Okay, so if you think about anything difficult, you can approach directly. Okay, and definitely I will try to give the solution in positive direction in genuine way. Okay. And coming to the closed companies, which means completely genuine, okay, we cannot say that is fake certificate. For closed companies, there are 5 parameters based on which they will do the verifications. The parameter number one, PF. PF statement should reflect in the service history, and you need to fetch the PF statement. Okay, PF service history and statement. If they doesn't have statement, and second point, there must be a bank statement. Bank statement alone will not help. In the bank statement description, company name should reflect. Each and every month you will receive the salary. If you received salary in the past 2018, 2017 or 2016, that company's description, company name should be there in the transaction description of your salary credited statement. Okay, hope you got the point. And then third important thing is form 16. I don't think if you receive the form 16 in the past 2016 and 2015. Okay, and form 16, generally there are some important parameters will be there based on which they can track the companies even though company is currently closed. And then rest of the 2 parameters, MCA, the company registration number, and I have clearly explained about that. The detailed video will be there along with screenshot. Okay, you can refer in this video description. And then the fifth thing is the company's GST number. It is the worst case. If you don't have any other documents, you can approach, you can get the GST number. However, the background verification team not accepting the GST number in professional way, they will not take it. For the verification process, if doesn't have PF account, doesn't have bank statement, doesn't have form 16, doesn't have registration number, you can show your GST number. Okay, basically in simple one word, companies want to understand association between you and the organization. Okay, hope you understand the concept. The association essence, simply if you submit any fake certificate, there should not be any association. The first association is PF account. Your name, company name will be there in the digital record. And then bank statement. Your name and company name will reflect digitally in same record. And form 16. And company registration number is, you can show it. There is a company from this duration to this durations. And GST, for the sake, you can say something. So this is what I have right now. Okay. Okay. So if I don't have these 5 parameters, if I don't have a bank statement, PF account, form 16, and GST number, and everything, okay, the registration number, all 5 parameters, if you doesn't have, there is an alternative options. No one educate you about this concept. Okay, I'm educating this channel. Okay, please subscribe, always give support to our channel. Okay, if you don't have these 5 parameters, there is an alternative option. You can fetch the company's contract documents. Okay, usually the company will not run in the house. There will be a building. The respective owner or MD will pay the rent. That rent contract will be there. In that rent contract, company name will reflect. Company name should reflect. The company name should be same in the rent contract as well as in the relieving letter, experience letter, payslip, everything. Okay, this is the very worst case you can approach in this angle. Okay, so no one fix it, no one tell you. Even though if you search the information in the Google, you cannot get these informations. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video till end. Okay, always give support and share this video to your friends. And if you face any problem, I will provide the information in genuine way. I will give the solution clarification in genuine way. But you need to pay the consulting fee. Once done your payment, we will discuss over the phone. Okay. But only genuine people, interested people only drop mail to me. Okay. There are multiple people dropping mail to me. Please don't waste my time as well as your time. If you are really interested, drop mail to me. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Take care. Have a wonderful day.